Looking for the best TV stands to upgrade your entertainment setup in 2026? In this video, we are counting down the top TV stands that combine style, durability, storage, and value. Whether you need a modern design, a space-saving option, or a stand built for large-screen televisions, we have got you covered. Stay tuned to find the perfect match for your home theater. As always, links in the description. Number 5. The Red Barrel Studio TV Stand for TVs up to 65 inches is an attractive and practical furniture piece that combines traditional charm with modern functionality. Designed with elegant contours, textured cabinet doors, and decorative moldings, this entertainment center brings a refined look to any living room, bedroom, or media space. Its timeless appearance complements a wide range of interior styles while providing excellent utility for everyday use. One of the standout features is its classic design. The detailed craftsmanship, glass window panes, and rich wood-inspired finish create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Unlike many minimalist TV stands, this model offers decorative appeal without sacrificing practicality, making it a stylish centerpiece for your entertainment setup. Another major advantage is its ample storage capacity. The stand includes 2 adjustable open shelves, 2 convenient cubbies, and 2 enclosed cabinets, providing plenty of room for gaming consoles, media players, books, decor items, and other household essentials. Adjustable shelving allows users to customize the space according to their storage needs, helping keep everything organized and easily accessible. The third key highlight is its versatile functionality. While it serves exceptionally well as a television stand for screens up to 65 inches, it can also function as a buffet cabinet in a dining area or a storage console in a bedroom. Cable management cutouts help keep wires neatly hidden, maintaining a clean and clutter-free appearance. Constructed from premium chipboard with a protective laminated finish, the unit is designed to resist scratches and daily wear. Overall, the Red Barrel Studio TV Stand delivers an excellent balance of style, storage, durability, and versatility, making it a valuable addition to almost any home. Number 4. The Charlton Home Scarlett TV Stand is an impressive entertainment center that combines elegant design, generous storage, and multifunctional versatility. Designed to accommodate televisions up to 85 inches, this spacious console makes a striking centerpiece for large living rooms, while also serving as a practical storage solution for various household needs. One of its most appealing features is its large capacity. Measuring over 101 inches wide, this TV stand provides ample surface space for oversized televisions and decorative accents. With a weight capacity of 165 pounds, it offers reliable support for modern entertainment systems, while maintaining a sturdy and substantial presence in the room. Another standout benefit is its ample storage. The unit includes 3 cabinets, 3 interior shelves, and 2 drawers, giving users plenty of room to organize media devices, gaming accessories, books, dining essentials, and other household items. The combination of glass and wood doors adds visual interest, while allowing selective display and concealed storage. This thoughtful design helps maintain a clean and organized living space. The third major highlight is its versatile design. While it functions exceptionally well as a television console, it can also be used as a buffet cabinet in a dining room or a storage cabinet in other areas of the home. The warm oak finish and classic styling blend easily with both traditional and contemporary interiors, making it a flexible addition to many decorating themes. Constructed from solid and manufactured wood, the Scarlett TV stand delivers durability along with refined aesthetics. Although assembly is required, the finished product offers excellent functionality and visual appeal. Overall, this entertainment center is an excellent choice for homeowners seeking style, storage, and versatility in one beautifully designed furniture piece. Number 3. The Homary 70.9 to 110-inch extendable TV stand is a stylish and highly adaptable entertainment center designed for modern homes. Featuring a sleek mid-century modern appearance and an innovative extendable structure, this TV stand delivers both visual appeal and practical functionality. It is an excellent choice for homeowners who want a furniture piece that can adapt to changing room layouts while maintaining a clean and sophisticated look. One of the most impressive features is its extendable design. The stand can be adjusted from 70.9 inches to 110.2 inches wide, allowing it to fit a variety of room sizes and television setups. Whether placed in a compact apartment or a spacious living room, the adjustable design provides exceptional flexibility, This feature also makes it suitable for televisions up to 110 inches, offering long-term usability as entertainment systems evolve. Another major advantage is its space-saving functionality. The retractable design allows users to maximize available floor space while maintaining a balanced room layout. The low-profile structure creates a modern appearance without overwhelming the room, making it an ideal choice for contemporary interiors. Storage is another area where this unit performs exceptionally well. Its ample storage includes 3 spacious pull-out drawers and an extendable shelf that provide convenient organization for media devices, remote controls, gaming accessories, and everyday essentials. The concealed storage helps maintain a neat and clutter-free entertainment area, while keeping important items within easy reach. The minimalist rectangular silhouette and asymmetrical inspired design give the stand a distinctive visual character that complements modern decor. Overall, the Homary Extendable TV stand offers outstanding versatility, practical storage, and elegant style, making it a smart investment for any modern entertainment space. Number 2. The Rosalind Wheeler Kinsella solid wood TV stand is a beautifully crafted furniture piece that combines rustic charm, practical storage, and lasting durability. Built from solid pine wood and finished with an authentic distressed look, this console brings warmth and character to any living room, dining area, or entryway. Its farmhouse-inspired design is enhanced by industrial details, creating a versatile piece that complements a wide range of home decor styles. One of the most impressive features is its solid wood construction. Unlike many entertainment centers made primarily from engineered materials, this TV stand is crafted from genuine pine wood, providing strength, stability, and a naturally attractive appearance. The distressed finish highlights the wood grain and gives each piece a unique personality that adds visual interest to the room. Another standout feature is its customizable storage. The unit includes 4 adjustable and removable shelves, allowing users to organize gaming consoles, media players, books, decorative items, or household essentials according to their needs. The sliding barn doors glide smoothly along a black metal track, making it easy to access stored items while adding a distinctive farmhouse touch. The third major highlight is its versatile design. Measuring 65 inches wide, the stand comfortably accommodates most 60 to 70-inch televisions, while also functioning as a stylish sideboard or storage cabinet. Metal mesh side doors create an open and airy appearance, while keeping contents partially visible for display purposes. Practical details further enhance its appeal. Built-in cable management helps keep wires organized and hidden from view, while the included anti-tip hardware adds an extra layer of safety. Overall, the Rosalind Wheeler Kinsella solid wood TV stand delivers excellent craftsmanship, flexible storage, and timeless style for any home. Number 1. The Beechcrest Home Rushville solid wood TV stand for TVs up to 70 inches is a distinctive furniture piece that combines antique-inspired craftsmanship with modern functionality. Influenced by the architectural beauty of New Orleans' French Quarter, this stand offers a rich sense of character that immediately enhances any living space. Its handcrafted appearance and versatile design make it much more than a traditional entertainment center. One of the most impressive features is its unique hand-distressed finish. Every unit undergoes an individual finishing process that includes antiquing, rub-through techniques, rough-sawn markings, nail head impressions, and rasping details. Because each piece is finished by hand, no 2 stands are exactly alike. This gives the furniture authentic vintage charm and a truly one-of-a-kind appearance that stands out in any room. Another major advantage is its solid wood construction. Crafted from durable New Zealand pine, the stand is built for long-term performance. The kiln-dried wood helps resist warping and enhances structural stability, making it suitable for years of daily use. The quality craftsmanship is evident throughout the design, offering both beauty and reliability. Storage is another area where this console excels. Its versatile storage space includes 4 doors, 2 cabinets, and 2 adjustable removable shelves. This flexible layout provides ample room for media equipment, gaming consoles, books, decorative items, or even dining essentials. The stand can also serve as an entryway credenza, accent cabinet, or dining room server. Additional conveniences include built-in cable management for a cleaner entertainment setup and a wall anchor for added safety. Overall, the Beechcrest Home Rushville TV stand delivers exceptional craftsmanship, timeless character, and practical functionality. making it a remarkable addition to any home. That wraps up our list of the best TV stands in 2026. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect stand to complement your television and enhance your entertainment space. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more buying guides and reviews. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.